How to fix the Instagram features that you can't use. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and restore missing or unavailable Instagram features on iOS and Android. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having an Android device, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So what you're going to do is first of all, head over to your App Store, or if you're using Android, you're going to head over to Google Play Store. And then you're going to click on the search icon and then go to the search bar and type in Instagram. So it is possibility that if your application is not updated, so you might encounter the issue of such as Instagram features missing. So you can see that here I have an update. So you can simply head over, click on update, and once your Instagram application is updated, that issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, what you're going to do is simply go to your Instagram application and then you're going to click on your profile at the bottom right. And here you're going to click on these three horizontal lights at the top right. And then over here, you'll be redirected to the settings and activity. So you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and then you're going to click on help over here. And once you click on help, you're going to click on account status. And here you're going to click on features you can't use. So once you click on that, if there are any new features in the new update that you're not able to use, you'll be able to see them over here. So you can simply contact Instagram, you can send them an email and say that this is the feature and my Instagram does not have that. So they'll update that for you. However, if you do both of these steps and the issue is still there, you can head over to your settings and then you're going to click on general. And here you're going to click on iPhone storage. And here you're going to scroll down till you find the application of Instagram. So simply click on that and then you're going to click on offload application. So this will basically free up storage used by the application, but it will keep your document and data. And reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store, and also download the latest version and your Instagram features would be there. So that is basically how you can fix Instagram features you can't use. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.